Good morning, dear viewers. I am at the Rioni railway station waiting for the train to Tbilisi. It will come around 9:14, 9:15. This is how the station looks. This is the ticketing room, and I need to ask what platform the train would be coming on. The train is coming on to platform number 1, which is the same platform I am on. Usually there isn't much delay, and more often than not they keep the time, and if there is a delay due to any unavoidable circumstance, then they make up for it during the journey. This is how the train looks from inside. Seat I booked was 1. Somehow seat number 1 is not available. Instead, where I have been seated now is seat number 8. Earlier there would have been seats 1 and 2, but it has been replaced by this vending machine. That is the reason why 1 and 2 is not available, but available for booking, and they make adjustments for it by way of taking passenger seat off the end. I had booked in a Staedler coach, and here seating is 3+2. Seats look like this with the handrest and all, but there are no footrests. The seating is quite comfortable. One grown-up adult can sit quite comfortably. These are air-conditioned coaches. This cost me 14 gel from Rioni to Tbilisi. Rioni is one station in Kutaisi where express trains stop, and in express trains you have the option to select classes, and they have air-conditioned coaches, whereas in day trains I don't think they have any air conditioning. Day trains are much cheaper. Trains like these, Staedler ones, journeys of 4 hours and 30 minutes. There are spaces like this where you can keep bigger baggages, like these ones. Anywhere in Georgia, one thing you are sure to find: water. There is literally no place in Georgia where you cannot find a stream. At least a small stream is there. Georgia being a mountainous country, Caucasian mountain region, you are sure to find streams, water. It's a great thing. This is Nubian Georgian food. Some of it gets stuffed with chicken or other meat. I have come across it with the vegetables in it. This I paid 2 lakhs. This Slovakian is very sweet. I have arrived in Tbilisi railway station. Now from here I need to pick a taxi to my hotel. Some 5 kilometer distance from here. So I'll be using an app called Bolt and Yandex Ride are two taxi apps quite popular over here. Yandex I have used. Bolt I'm using for the first time. You can pay using debit or credit or even using cash. So let's move. I think it would be better if I get some food from the first station. It's comparatively cheaper and enough portions are served as well. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Good. So each time you purchase something that is being weighed, so it's being built over there, later on you pay. Yeah, that would do. Yeah, thank you. Do you accept dollars or lari? Only lari is accepted. Chicken salad, carrot mayonnaise, then capsicum, and 1 egg for today's lunch. Enough. And it is great. I asked for rice, but they don't have it. What they have, the substitute is buckwheat. Buckwheat I don't eat much. This should do. I can smell the fresh herbs. Cool. Bell pepper. This is so juicy and fresh. Absolutely juicy. And they are very sweet too. On top of it, they have added some sweet sauce or some liquid onto it. It's just like bursting a sweet water balloon. So much of juice coming out of it. So it's I have a different Bolt experience to tell. I booked for a Bolt taxi and the app charged me 6.1 lari. I waited intently hoping to see the Bolt taxi turning up in no time because it said 3 minutes. 3 minutes passed, nothing happened. Then I see that the driver has messaged me saying he's around here. I waited for some time and later on I got a call from him. Where are you? And I repeated the same thing. And for lack of understanding, I thought it would be better if I give it to some who speaks Georgian. And he spoke with him. He is somewhere far. It will take him a lot of time to reach this place. So I had to cancel the ride and then I contacted the support. They said they would process the refund. And they indeed did. That's one good thing that happened. But for cancellation there is charge of 4.1 lari. That amount they refunded. That's a good thing from the Bolt. Thank you so much. Downloaded the Scroll app. Tried to ride on this one. Earlier I tried another one, but that was saying the strict area. So I came over here and I tried this one also. This also says the same thing. I asked a taxi how much he would charge me to drop me at the Freedom Square in Tbilisi. He says 20, whereas in the Bolt app it was just 7 lari. That's indeed a rip-off. So I said, no thank you. I started walking almost half a kilometer past now to find any other e-scooters in this locale. And the taxi also hard to come by. So I'm just walking. It's a bit sunny. I had my lunch, so not that tired. Just need to have some water, which I will get on the way. Now it's just 3 kilometers more. That's it. That was a school area zebra crossing having red stripes, so they must stop. Kobe. Thank you. Cheese. Ice creams. Wow. Almost 2 kilometers I walked on, but then heat is becoming a little unbearable. So I thought it's better to take a taxi. Now I am going to Liberty Square, Freedom Square. What's your name, sir?
My name is Misha.
Michelle.
Mike.
Mike.
Hello. How are you?
You look like Prem Chopra.
Prem Chopra.
Yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan. Aishwarya Rai. Regisseur.
Rajnikant?
Yes. Super. India, I love you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Matlaba.
Agat.
Got to Tbilisi, Freedom Square.
Thanks for watching. Thank you for your time. If you like my content, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in the next episode.